Hey everybody, Ron from Campfire Grub. This week's episode, we're up here bright and early. See a boat behind us? No, we're not actually going to go boating. That was another random Travis auction find. We're actually off to the auction, see what we find. Maybe we'll find food along the way, maybe we won't. But it'll be a different type of video. We're going to show you the auction and see if we find anything cool today.
To $4?
No.
If the order is correct on the screen, it's $26.76. Please drive to the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So as we rode along here, we swung into the Hardees and picked up this delightful looking chicken biscuit with fried egg from the Hardees. Definitely keeping it fancy today out here. So we got this high-end F-550 work truck, and I mean, it just rides. Now we're about to go ahead and hit these railroad tracks, and we didn't flip, so that's always optimistic.
You mean the one our grandma cooked all that great food?
Yeah! No, I'm talking about the old pop heat.
Travis, you think we need a helicopter?
I think we do.
You think we do need a helicopter?
Yeah. Barbecue grill right here.
Barbecue grill.
Remote camping. Quick access.
Fly right into the campsite. And looks like Collier County Schools owned helicopters.
That's what I seen. I seen that. I was like, what were they doing with huge?
One of the cooler things here so far, we found us a good candidate here for a schoolie build. Yo! Even looks pretty clean too. And has AC. For food, there's hot dogs, hamburgers for tip. Ate right here on this fire truck.
Turn. It's just a runs, operates, does not rotate.
One of the forklifts we're bidding on, and checking it out here. It's got a high-end Gatorade cap. Ready to run. So the outside looks fantastic. How's the interior look, Travis?
It looks like these internationals junk. No holes in the floor. They ain't even got the tie down. Unfortunately, it'll still sell for $6,000.
So we're down here at the auction, and according to United Rentals, this machine is rent ready, allegedly. Did not know rent ready meant no fuel cap, but I guess that's how they do things at United Rentals. This is a rent ready pump we picked up here at auction. So a quick update here. So we're pulled off on the side of the road, as you can see, and we actually blew a trailer tire. So we've got a blown out trailer tire. That happens. Quick update. Thanks to Rachel, we got our air pump and tire jack, and now we're trying to be able to lift the trailer up with a 6,000-pound jack and get the tire on. Alright, so it's getting even better. So we set a Reese hitch down on the ground and set the bottle jack on top of it. Screwed it up there.
Go grab me the flat piece. No, yeah, go grab me that other piece.
Or not. Change of plans.
Please hold.
Please hold for the next sketchy adventure that might happen.
There we go, that's what we need. Nice. Look fun.
So now we have some kind of a grease hitch receiver with the bottle jack on top. As you can see, extra safe.
There. I see it. I'm trying to move to it. Down. Oh, my bad.
That about hit the camera. Is it working?
I don't know yet. Can't see.
It appears to be lifting the trailer.
Okay, try that then. I'm not gonna argue with you. Not even close. Nope. That much more we have to go.
Is it lifting it?
Yep. Come on, little bottle jack the camper.
So we got the tire situation fixed, rolled in here to the Circle K, grabbed some drinks, and now we're moving on forward here with the rest of the journey, and hopefully the remaining hour back home with all of the stuff here works out well. Made it back without any serious mechanical failures. Now it's time to dig into some Domino's pizza.